Yeah. Yeah. All work, no talk, that's the mindset. Most people speak before results hit. I stay quiet and build consistency while they chase attention instantly. Heavy pressure sitting on my chest. Still I train and gave my best. No emotional reactions made. I stay disciplined every day. Cold mornings with an aching body. Still I move because nobody was coming to build this future. Had to become my own builder. Every setback taught me patience. Every hard moment built resistance. I stopped talking about the vision and started living with precision. All work, no talk, stay locked in through the losses and the wins. No excuses, no retreat. I build strength silently. All work, no talk, mindset strong. Even when the road feels long. Every rep, every fight, built the mindset I use tonight. Most people want validation first before they even put in work. I learned silence builds focus better. Less distraction, more pressure. One more set when energy low. That's where real resilience grows. Anybody can sound motivated. Very few stay dedicated. No applause inside the process. Still I trusted every step because deep down I understood. Hard seasons build stronger roots. I stopped chasing motivation, started building dedication. That shift changed the way I move. Now consistency became the truth. All work, no talk, stay locked in through the losses and the wins. No excuses, no retreat. I build strength silently. All work, no talk, mindset strong. Even when the road feels long. Every rep, every fight, built the mindset I use tonight. Late nights turned into progression. Pain transformed into direction. Every obstacle survived, added more depth to the drive. No shortcut shaped this mindset. No easy route created this strength. Everything I earned came slowly. That's why it belongs to me. Now pressure doesn't hit the same. I train myself inside the rain. Every difficult situation builds stronger mental foundations. All work, no talk became the standard. That mentality made me harder. Now the discipline runs deep, too focused to move weak. All work, no talk, it's my goal. Carry pressure, carry load. No fear, no hesitation. Only growth and dedication. All work, no talk, stay focused. Every move got deeper purpose. Every scar, every rep, built a version they respect. Talking creates attention. Work creates transformation.